Okay, let's do a recap. Okay, so Coco is petrified of the baby, so her palace is here for now. Newman wants to see Jensa, so he's begging. Cookie is trying to hide from Newman, right? Because Newman was a little aggressive. Rue just doesn't know what to do with herself. She's running around trying to get into stuff. Right, Cookie? Coco's so funny. She wants to get at Newman. She's trying to get close to Newman. That's loud, Newman. And here we got Maxwell. He's trying to steal those, trying to get into those treats. He wants to, but he's a little nervous. He was out in the bird room for a little bit, but he didn't like it, so he wanted to come out here. But he did step up. Kiwi's angry. She doesn't like Jensa, and she doesn't like the baby. Right? They're FaceTiming. They're FaceTiming their dad. Aw, so cute. Aww. And Sid, she's the most well-adjusted bird we've got. So she's doing really good. And we had a tea party with the creepy dolls. She likes them. There's your baby, right? Want to play with baby? Here.
No, I don't want a dirty doll.
Oh, dirty doll.
Give her baby.
Oh, here's your bird. Oh, and this is the cleanest doll in the world. It's gonna
It's
show
not
you.
been sitting in an attic.
Aww, baby. Why is she so sad?
I don't know.
She woke up a little bit grumpy, maybe.
I think she woke up and maybe it was just like a whole lot, like too much, maybe.
Yeah, she's overwhelmed. I feel like that too, sweetie
Did
pie.
you feel overstimulated?
Yeah. Oh, look who's eating pellets, eh? Good boy. Good boy. I saw you eating them. Your mash is coming, okay? You like that, eh? Do you like that stuff? It's good for you. Really good for you. Everyone likes it here. Eh?